welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is talking about Lorraine. As always, she's saying that Lorraine's camp is mashed up, basically, all over. Her whole entire life is ruined. And she's saying that sees it, and she saw this basically from the time that she start, burning the papers and stuff. Because she's saying that it's all over. She's seen, changes made with the landlord, Lady V. Those are the names that she mentioned, and she's saying that in Lorraine's camp, that's where she see the most effect. And she touched on the topic of Lorraine's husband, and she's saying that it seemed like they're not really, allegedly, that they're not really married on paper. So you have to go ahead and catch the video for yourself so that you will find out more in details. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have yourself a wonderful one.
Remember when Lorraine come out, and ball out, say me say all of this. I came on my live, and I said, Lorraine, you are looking a way out to get out from under Steve. You are looking a way out, but this is not the way out. Don't expect me to send Steve go to prison. Me must say, come ball out, or me want to send Steve go to prison, Me know when you send nothing, me ain't do nothing to send Steve go to prison. Me never went do nothing. All me I do a talk, me talk. And me say, Lorraine, come out and say it. See, all like they had up now. First cartoon come out and say, she and Bob give Lorraine argument. Okay, and no cartoon tell Bob that the part of the story there. As the boy, the boy tell him that part of the story they get Lorraine. Forget Lorraine. And look what happened now. All of this something they unravel. Lorraine really want to get rid of Steve. Come they say, Lorraine, if you want to get rid of Steve, get rid of Steve. There's no problem. You don't have to go frame him. You don't have to go tell lie on him. You don't have to do all this over Steve. I don't remember me tell you all of the story there. And look now. That boy Bob is the one who tell Lorraine that I said that conversation. I never said it. But it's just a way to get Lorraine away from Steve. They was trying to frame Steve, but Steve have better sense than them. As retarded as them saying is, he have better sense than them. Look what happened now. People they ball out. Whether the whole of the story want go so, or the none of it no go so, or whatever. But me still they stick to my story when they stick to for a long time. Look what a little piece of burnt paper can do. Look what a little piece of... Hey, Lorraine camp mash up bad. Lorraine camp, Lorraine life, Lorraine whole existence mash up, Uno not see it. Uno not see the whole of Lorraine existence mash up. The whole like mash up. So at least me know say the paper they work one solid place. If they work more than one solid place, because if they work a landlord, if they work a lady man V, if they walk all over, but one solid rock over Lorraine's camp. Over Lorraine's camp. He mash up Michelle, he mash up Bob, he mash up Cartoon, he mash up Sophia, and you see the whole camp deteriorate. The whole camp deteriorate. From one piece of paper. Now the whole of the story out there. Mighty God, no wonder Bob they fight Sophie Lorraine. No wonder Lorraine they fight Sophie Bob. Eh? Him and Bob are two of a kind. Them are all twin. See, not even him and Steve now dress up, Maxine, if Cartoon should come out and say that for... Let me get my glasses. Maxine if cartoon should come out and say that Bob told Lorraine that, and even about the relationship, I will believe, because so far she has not told any lies from what I have heard. I need evidence because these people lie. Oh yes! Oh yes, that's why me want her to come out, you know. Oh yes, cause them are twin, you know, see two of them dress up same way. Not even Lorraine and her husband not dress same way. You know, see picture them. Me not carry them over here. Me not show them, you know, I have to go over Ashanti go look on the picture them. How Bob and Lorraine dress alike. Yes, you know, if you go over there, the two of them dress up in the same clothes like them, my brother and sister, our husband and wife. Not even Steve not dress up like a Lorraine. But me went tell you a long time said there was no relationship between him and Steve, but you don't think I joke me and make. Even if, remember, Strap-on had your dead. Oh yeah! Look here. Lord Jesus Christ, laugh at me. Me they go down memory road. Of course, Strap-on have my dead husband on that phone. My husband, you know, who has been dead from January of 2021. Right down in a 22, 23 year. No, 22 in dead or 23. Me don't remember, but 21 in dead. Me don't even remember. But it was 1 year after in dead. Ashanti have the dead man pan the live. Talk to the dead man. And the man say, oh, I love my wife. My husband who dead, you know. Ashanti interview the dead man. You know think I joke me I make? Me not believe Ashanti story there. Me still a talk about what me come out and say. Because me know something fishy was going on between Baba and Lorraine. Me know something have to be going on with Baba and Lorraine. Yes, I know that cartoon say she and Bob carry the news them to Lorraine. Execute cartoon out of it. A Bob? No, me not believe, me not. No. Laugh at me, you see, what me come out and talk is what me come out and talk. Me not listen to over the well. Me not listen to over the well. The well and his story can't stay. Me not listen to over there. But what me they say, put all of my story together. They're talking my story right now, you know. They're talking everything that I said already. If they're talking everything that I said already, me not talk for them story, me not look on, you know. Me not look on for them story because if Ashanti can interview my dead husband, when Ashanti say interview my husband, you know, my husband dead already, you know. Me never know saying dead. Cause them may hide it from me. They were hiding it from me. Guys, like up the live, please. Like up the live. This morning, my whole being depends on it this morning, you know. Guys, it depends on it this morning. People listen to me and listen to me good. I am begging money for ticket, you know. Remember me begging money for ticket? I need ticket money. If I even $10, you can put in the cash app, the Zelle, the super chat, it don't matter, put it in there. As long as it reach in there, remember say the 22nd a payday. So as long as it reach in there from like about the 20 or the 19, so me know it's okay for me. Please, 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 guys, because it's gonna go straight to my bank. I am looking money to buy ticket to go home. So anybody who me owe money, you know, don't have to wait until me reach my yard. Me then make a public announcement. Anybody who me owe any money at all, then go and wait until me reach home in Florida. Okay? Alright. Well, again, me office. Yes, that Lorraine issue. Me tell you no long time. Me come out from my life and me say Lorraine have something over her husband. And that is the reason why Lorraine is behaving like that. They are not really married on paper. They are not really married on paper. So Lorraine is free business. She's free entity. She can't do what she want to do. Oh yes, she can keep Bob, she can keep. Every one of them she can keep. Every one of them on the platform she can keep. She can all go the other fence, go keep the other one them. I know nothing. Lorraine not really married. Lorraine is not really married. I told you guys. You know now listen to me. And I kind of feel some kind of way when time people come out with certain story and you run with it. Like me know when tell you that for a long time. Lorraine not really married. Me come and me tell you say Lorraine won't go do it because of certain reason. And he knows say if him ball out and say Steve do this and Steve do that, Steve will lose his work whether I go so yes or no. Nobody no care whether I go so. In America, people, let me tell you, say, you know guilty before you find innocent. In America, you know is guilty before you find innocent. I know innocent and then guilty. No, then guilty you know first. Then guilty you know first. Me tell you no long time. Tell you no long time. You no not listen to me. You no not listen to me when me talk. Lord have mercy, last night me listen 2 live. I go play some of them when me done. Me listen 2 live last night and me say me in a shock. Me shook. Not really that me really shook because me know it. I know what's happening. I came out and I tell you, you see how they're afraid for you hear what they're saying in the same thing. Everything what Maxine say you don't come out can answer. Everything what Maxine say you don't come out can answer. Yes to backside answer everything what me say. If you make the people them believe me or not believe me not, answer it. Me want cartoon to come up, me say if there's nothing what me want so, me want cartoon to come out and come talk out of her mouth. Who really tell Lorraine about me say something about his grandson and Steve. Me want cartoon to come out and chat the story. Me want her to chat the story. Because so far, yes, so far, cartoon is on the right track. Cartoon shouldn't come out long time, you know. But that's okay. It better now than never. Right? It's never too late for a shower rain. Me want cartoon to come out and tell them. Because me tell them say Lorraine have something they all over Steve head. When that tour the boss me say Lorraine have something they all over Steve head. And when say in America you're guilty first. They no business if you want innocent. They no business, you know, from them fling out that story there and strip you. But what the little dons never know is that Steve take out his name out of every God Almighty thing and put him put them name in it. In not even in a Steve name. Steve no have nothing no more. So at that surprise, at that shock, Lorraine, the only thing what Lorraine is scared pan you now. He have to wait 10 years to know if him and Steve married 10 years, then he will get some of the benefit from half of Steve head. Because through safe serve in the military, she go entitled to it in a 10 years. In a 10 years, if they keep married for the 10 years, she will get something. Apart from that, she not get nothing. She have to wait for the 10 years. She have to wait. Let's play on and see. Let's play on and see. Because I really do have somewhere to go. Let's play on. Let's play on. Yes. Mrs. Lorraine Mashup. Lorraine Mashup. Last night, me go over Harry. Harry life put me to bed. Yes, Harry life put me to bed. Me think Harry do must want 3 hour live. Yes. Me sleep and wake and Harry still when up on the live. Me name mention I in it over and over. Harry, me not have nothing to say, Harry. I was used and abused. That's all me can say. I was used and abused by Lorraine and the whole of them. All of them. From 99 Ashanti, go down to Lorraine. Me can't answer your question on that, the one the Harry. I was used and abused by them. Used and abused. See me still there by myself, Harry. Not a group, not a company. No, sir. Me afraid. Me afraid for even chat to people on phone. Me afraid of me one shadow right now. Me afraid of me one shadow right now. But even though they rob me and then take away everything me have, Harry, me still they look. Me right now me they pay me live and me they look because me want some money to buy one ticket. Me need a ticket to go home. Me have business to burn. Oh yes, business they burn. My business they burn up, man. My business they burn up. Me have to go up. Me need cash. Me need cash. Me say people from me drop a Jamaica, you know. From me drop a Jamaica. Boy, me don't know why me when they spend so much money. She not never they spend so much money. Me should not secure me ticket money, you know. Cause me get more than the ticket money, me couldn't buy the ticket. Laugh at me. Me get more than the ticket money, couldn't buy the ticket. But because me want to do like me, I live big life in a Jamaica. And every week me go to supermarket, me spend up to 30,000, 35,000. Yes, laugh at me. Me live big down here. Me make sure me have, you see how the belly big? Me make sure me have food for them. Me make sure me have food for them. Me no go short of food, not even one day. Me pen, but me shouldn't when they pen so. When me think about it, me shouldn't when they pen so. Shouldn't when they pen so. Me no want December catch me down here. Me want reach up and come back down before